Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The reward for Jama'at Salat, performing prayer in an assembly performed by a person, is more than 27 times greater than that of the Salat performed in one's house or shop. When one performs wudu perfectly and then proceeds to the mosque with the sole intention of performing Salat, then for every step he takes towards the mosque, he is upgraded 1 degree in reward, and one of his sins is eliminated until he enters the mosque. And when he enters the mosque, he is considered as performing Salat as long as it is the Salat which prevents him from leaving the mosque. And the angels keep on supplicating Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for him as long as he remains in his place of prayer. They say, "Oh Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, have mercy on him. Oh Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, forgive his sins. Oh Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, accept his repentance." As long as he does not give pain in anyone and stay with wudu. Amin.